All right, ladies and gentlemen, so today we're going to just continue on. We're going to do a little bit of checking. We're going to do a little bit of solving. But today we're going to have equations where we might have no solution, meaning that the two sides are not going to end up being equal to each other. So we'll take a look at that in a second. But is x equals 1 a solution to the linear equation? So what I need to do is I'm going to place 1 in for wherever I see x. So this means 4 times 1 plus 3 times 4 times 1 plus 7. On the other side, 7 times 1 plus 3 minus 3. Okay, so this is just going through and doing order of operations. I'm going to do the left side and then I'm going to do the right side. So on the left side I have parentheses, and inside parentheses I have multiplication and addition. So this is going to be, I'm going to do this right now. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 7. So I have to do that first, finish that off. 4 plus 7 is 11. 3 times 11 is 33. 4 plus 33 is 37. So now I have to see, does the other side match that? So again, inside here I have parentheses. So this is going to be 7 plus 3 minus 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. 4 times 10 is 40. 40 minus 3 is 37. So is it a solution? Yes. Right? The left side matched the right side, meaning that that check worked. Okay, now let's go through and we're going to actually solve one. So what value of x would make the following linear equation true? All right, so let's go through and solve it. I have parentheses that I have to get rid of, so I'm going to distribute. When I don't see a number out front, it really means I'm multiplying by a negative 1. So this is going to give me 20 minus 3x. Negative 1 times negative 9 is positive 9 minus 2. Over here, same thing, I have to distribute a negative 1. So this is going to be negative 1 times negative 11 is 11x. Negative 1 times 1 is minus 1. Okay, so now I'm going to put my like terms together. I have 20, 9, and 2. So 20 plus 9 is 29, minus 2 is 27, minus 3x. And then equals 11x minus 1. Now I'm going to go through and I have to move my x's over, so I'm going to add 3x. So this is 27 equals 14x minus 1. Add 1 to both sides. 28 equals 14x. Divide by 14. And I'm going to just put it over here, so x would equal 2. All right, not so bad. That was just kind of a big, long question that we had done earlier. Consider the following equation. What value makes it true? So I have to go through and do my distributive property first. So I'm going to have 2x plus 2 equals 2x minus 3. I have to get my variables on one side. So my 2x's, everything cancels out. So I'm left with a problem that says 2 equals negative 3. But that's not a true statement. So this is what we were talking about up top. This is no solution. There is no value of x that is going to work in that equation because my variables canceled and I was left with 2 constants and they were not the same number. All right, let's try another one. So number 4, find the value of x that makes this statement true. So we're going to go through, right, getting a lot of good practice here. I have to distribute. So we're going to have 15x plus 20 minus 2x. Over here I'm going to have 7x. I have to distribute a negative 3. So negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6. Negative 3 times 11 is negative 33. I'm going to combine my like terms. I have 15x minus 2x, 13x, plus 20. 7x plus 6x is 13x, minus 33. I'm going to cancel my x's to one side. All my x's are going to cancel. I'm left with 20 equals negative 33. No solution, because 20 is not the same as negative 33. All right, let's see if that happens over here in number 5. All right, let's see. So I have to distribute. going to multiply by 5, so that's going to give me 5x minus 40 plus 2x. And then I have to distribute a negative 7 right here, so that's going to give me negative 54 minus 7x minus 28. I am going to put my x's together, so I'm going to have 7x minus 40 equals negative 54. Oh, sorry, forgot my little terms on that side. Let's put those together. I have negative 54 and negative 28. So I'm going to have negative 7x, and that's going to give me negative 82. So now I'm going to add 7x to both sides. So this time they're not going to cancel. They're going to cancel here, but 7x and 7x is 14x. Minus 40 equals negative 82. Add 40. 14x is going to equal negative 42. Divide by 14. And x is negative 3. So just because it looks like you have the same number, unless they actually cancel, then you're still going to get a solution. Okay, so any questions? Bring them to class.